Hey, boys and girls. Our phonics skill this week is R, spelled with A-R. Previously, we have learned E-R, I-R, and U-R. And so we have another R-controlled vowel, A. And next week, we're going to do O-R. Okay, so let's think of some words that have that A-R. Can you think of any? I can think of a few. I'm going to write star, car, jar. Let's see. Part, cart, art, mart. There's lots of words we can think of with AR. Let's write some words together with the AR, okay? Remember, AR would go on one line, and it is going to be coded bossy R. All right, so I'm on day one of my printables, number one. All right, word number one is spark. One syllable, spark. Sp, R, K. Sp, R, K. Spark. Word number two, harsh. I'm going to touch each line as I say the sounds. R, sh, R, sh. Hopefully you're using these strategies when you write things now. Word number three, sharp. Sh, R, P, sharp. Number four, that's a lot of lines, isn't it? This next word is garlic. That's something you use when you cook. All right, so the first sound I hear is G, G, R, O, I, K, garlic. Number five, marlin. That reminds me of one of Henry's favorite movies. Do you know what it is? Finding Nemo? Yeah. R, O, N. Marlin. Number six, artist. R, T, I, st. Artist. Number seven, this is a long word, but when you break it down into syllables, you can very easily spell it. All right, our word is bombard. Two syllables, bombard. First syllable, bomb. B, a, m. Bombard. Second syllable, bard. B, r, d. Bombard. So sometimes we hear really big words and maybe we want to use those words in our writing, but we're afraid we don't know how to spell them. But when you break them down with pound and tap, they're usually doable. All right, the last word today is marble, and it has that CLE, consonant LE, bull. So it's got BLE. All right, marble. R, bull. R, B, L, E. Okay. Now let's look at our red words this week. So remember at the end of last week, we learned, or the beginning of last week, we learned does and watch. So those will be the ones on our spelling test this week. Does, D-O-E-S, watch. Watch. And then our two new words are a little tough this week. Already, so you need to practice these. Already and enough. Now it really helps me if I tap them on my arm. So let's do that on already and enough. Okay, so you'll put one arm out. I'm even going to stand up. Okay, you'll put one arm out and you're going to cross your body. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is already. 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 Let's do it again. ALREADY. Excuse me. Let's do it one more time. Already. 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 Now let's cross the other way for enough. 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 Okay. It would be very helpful if you did that every day instead of just the one time in the Monday video. Okay. All right. Now let's do some sentence practice with AR. So either get a blank sheet of paper or the printables that I posted, and we're going to do 2 sentences. The first sentence we're going to do is less words than number 1 because it's our spelling word sentence. So we're going to go ahead and do that one. And the word is a star shines in the dark. All right, let's count the words in that sentence. A star shines in the dark. We need 6 word lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I don't need those 2. All right. We know that we start with a capital letter. A star shines in the dark. Period. And I like to mark my skill. So I've got AR here and here. All right. I have a capital letter at the beginning. The sentence makes sense. Punctuation, yes. And everything's spelled correctly. All right. A star shines in the dark. Working on that skill. AR says R. All right. Let's do one more sentence for day 1. Our second sentence is Mark gave his darling wife a silver ring. All right, so we're here on number 2. Mark. It has the R in there. Mark gave, long A, his darling. It's got the AR. Darling wife, long I, a silver ring. Not a silver saying, a silver ring. Period. All right, I'm going to mark the ARs that I see. Mark, darling, and I guess that's it. Okay. All right, I have a capital letter at the beginning. It makes sense. Punctuation, and everything's spelled correctly. All right, so today we talked about that. AR says R. We wrote some words. We wrote some sentences. We went over our red words. This is the end of day 1.